The bigger part of the brain is A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Pons, D. Medulla. And the answer is A. Cerebrum. The important part of the central nervous system is A. Brain, B. Spinal cord, C. Nerves, D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. Brain and spinal cord is covered by A. Meninges, B. Pleura, C. Peritoneum, D. Periosteum. And the answer is A. Meninges. Function of frontal lobe of brain. A. Motor center, B. Speech center, C. Mental powers, D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. Function of occipital lobe of cerebrum is A. Speech, B. Memory, C. Vision, D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Vision. The group of nerve cells is called as A. Ganglia, B. Neuron, C. Fibers, D. Sciatica. And the answer is A. Ganglia. The coronary artery branch out from A. Arch of aorta, B. Ascending aorta, C. Root of aorta, D. Descending aorta. And the answer is C. Root of aorta. The distal end of stomach is guarded by A. Cardiac sphincter, B. Internal sphincter, C. Pyloric sphincter, D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Pyloric sphincter. Which is the longest cranial nerve? A. Vagus nerve, B. Optic nerve, C. Trigeminal nerve, D. Glossopharyngeal nerve. And the answer is A. Vagus nerve. The CSF is absorbed by A. Ventricles, B. Choroid plexus, C. Arachnoid villi, D. Hypothalamus. And the answer is C. Arachnoid villi. Total volume of CSF is A. 250 ml, B. 150 ml, C. 350 ml, D. 450 ml. And the answer is B. 150 ml. The central nervous system consists of A. Brain, B. Spinal cord, C. Brain and spinal cord, D. Cortex of brain. And the answer is C. Brain and spinal cord. Functional unit of nervous system is A. Neuron, B. Neuroglia, C. Dendrites, D. Axons. And the answer is A. Neuron. CSF is secreted from A. Pia mater, B. Arachnoid villi, C. Choroid plexus, D. Corpus callosum. And the answer is C. Choroid plexus. Biological clock or circadian rhythm is controlled by A. Hypothalamus, B. Thalamus, C. Pineal body, D. Higher center. And the answer is C. Pineal body. Circle of wheels found in brain is an example of A. Anastomosis, B. And arteries, C. Sinusoid, D. Bilateral supply. And the answer is anastomosis. ANS is part of which nervous system? A. Central nervous system, B. Somatic nervous system, C. Peripheral nervous system, D. All of the above. And the answer is C. Peripheral nervous system. Which of the following structure is supplied with parasympathetic division? A. Thyroid gland, B. Blood vessel of skeletal muscle, C. Skin, D. None of the above. And the answer is D. None of the above. What is the other name of parasympathetic division? A. Thoracolumbar outflow, B. Thoracosacral outflow, C. Craniosacral outflow, D. Craniolumbar outflow. And the answer is C. Craniosacral outflow. How many pairs of cranial nerves? A. 10 pairs, B. 11 pairs, C. 12 pairs, D. 13 pairs. And the answer is C. 12 pairs. Structure of brain involved in emotion. A. Neocortex, B. Thalamus, C. Hippocampus, D. Limbic system. And the answer is D. Limbic system. Which part of brain controls pituitary gland? A. Hypothalamus, B. Thalamus, C. Epithalamus, D. Cerebral hemisphere. And the answer is A. Hypothalamus. Which is inhibitory neurotransmitter? A. Acetylcholine, B. Serotonin, C. GABA, D. Adrenaline. And the answer is C. GABA. Parasympathetic fibers are A. Adrenergic, B. Cholinergic, C. Serotonergic, D. None of the above. And the answer is B. Cholinergic. Blood-brain barrier is formed by A. Astrocytes, B. Schwann cells, C. Oligodendrocytes, D. Purkinje fibers. And the answer is A. Astrocytes. Coordination of voluntary movement is done by A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Pons, D. Medulla. And the answer is B. Cerebellum. Vital centers are present in A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Pons, D. Medulla. And the answer is D. Medulla. How many lobes are present in brain? A2, B4, C5, D9. And the answer is B4. How many pairs of spinal nerves? A31, B35, C21, D41. And the answer is A31.